Are you guys trying to figure out how much eBay takes from your sales? Let's walk through how to calculate your eBay fees. Let's dive right in. First, go to ebay.com and log in. Click My eBay and choose Selling to access the Seller Hub where all your tools live. Then on the left panel, click on Payments. This area shows all of your transactions and fees taken from each sale. eBay charges a final value fee, which is a percentage of the total sale, including shipping. You might also see listings fees and upgrade fees depending on how you posted your item. For a quick estimate, open a new tab and head to eBay's free calculator, ebay.com/free calculator. Enter your sale price, category, and shopping details to calculate exactly what you'll owe. Since I don't have any sales, there is no payments here. Get back to the Payments tab. You can click on each transaction to see real-time breakdown of the fees that eBay deducted from your payout. And that's how to calculate eBay fees in 2025 like a pro. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more seller-friendly guides.